In this video, we will learn how to record an adjusting entry for prepaid expenses in the sample company. From the investigation of a trial balance and period-end business activities, assume that $500 of supplies were recorded as a miscellaneous expense, but should have been deferred as a supplies asset until consumed in some future period. Therefore, an adjusting journal entry needs to be created to accrue this expense. Let us start creating the adjusting entry. Open the QBO test drive website and enter security information like you've done previously. From the home page, click the Create Plus icon and click Journal Entry under the Other column. Type the last day of the previous month into the Journal Date text box. Type Supplies Asset on line 1 of the Account column and click plus Add Supplies Asset. This is another way to add a new account in QBO. Next, select Other Current Assets from the drop-down list in the Category Type text box. Then, select Prepaid Expenses from the drop-down list in the Detail Type text box. And click Save and Close to save this account category. Type 500 into the Debit column of line 1. Select the Credit account by choosing Miscellaneous from the drop-down list in line 2 of the Accounts column. Accept 500 into the Credit column of line 2 to view the journal entry. Now that we have created the adjusting entry, click Save and Close to close the journal entry window. Remember that in general, the same process could be used to defer a cost that had been recorded as an expense but should be deferred as an asset at period end. Now, let us take a look at an example when an expense is deferred in a prior period but is consumed in the current period. We will use the supplies asset created as an example assuming $100 of supplies were consumed in the month, leaving $400 of supplies as an asset. Let us record an adjusting journal entry to record the consumption of supplies. We will continue from where we left off. Click the Create Plus icon and then click Journal Entry from the Other column. Then type the last day of the previous month into the Journal Date text box. Next, select Supplies from the drop-down list in line 1 of the Account column, and type 100 into the Debit column of line 1. Note that this is an expense account already in the company's chart of accounts. Then select Supplies Asset from the drop-down list in line 2 of the Accounts column. Accept 100 into the Credit column of line 2 to view the journal entry. Now click Save and Close. Click Reports from the navigation bar. Click Accountant Reports from the top navigation pane and find the Trial Balance Report. Click Run. Change the From date to the first of the previous month and the To date to the last day of the previous month. Then click Run Report to view the trial balance. Click the Supplies Asset $400 amount to reveal a transaction report for the Supplies Asset account. Click Back to Summary Report to return to the Trial Balance Report. This completes our demonstration of recording adjusting entries in the sample company.